Here is a 2022 Hyundai Paraside. I'm going to be showing you how to reset the engine oil change reminder light. What you want to do is hit the power button twice. You're going to be using this screen right here. You want to... Okay, screen pops up, you hit the home key. Right down here you want to hit settings. Right here you hit vehicle. When it comes up here you want to go down to cluster right here. And then right here it says service interval. Click on that. And then right here, reset. To reset to 7,500 miles.